What maintenance steps avoid legal risks in property management? Imagine your rental property as a well-oiled machine. When everything runs smoothly, tenants are happy, and legal troubles stay at bay. But neglecting maintenance can lead to costly lawsuits or fines. That's why knowing the right steps is so important. Proper upkeep keeps your property safe, compliant, and attractive to tenants. It also helps you avoid legal issues that could threaten your investment. First, ensure your property meets basic safety and habitability standards. Keep essential systems like heating, plumbing, and electrical wiring in good working order. For example, check water heaters and electrical panels at least once every year. If these systems fail, tenants might withhold rent or even break their lease. Regular inspections help catch problems early before they turn into emergencies. Second, follow local building codes and safety rules. These laws cover things like smoke detectors, carbon monoxide alarms, and fire extinguishers. For instance, in many states, smoke detectors must be installed on every floor and in each bedroom. They need to be tested monthly and replaced every 10 years. Staying updated on these codes prevents fines and keeps tenants safe. Third, give tenants proper notice before entering their units. Laws often requiring at least 2 days' notice before repairs or inspections. In Arizona, for example, landlords can only enter during reasonable hours unless there's an emergency. Keeping written records of notices sent protects you if a tenant claims you entered without permission. Clear communication builds trust and avoids legal complaints. Fourth, keep detailed records of all maintenance work. Save receipts, work orders, inspection reports, and communication logs. If a dispute arises, these records show you responded responsibly and followed the law. For example, if a tenant reports a leak, document the repair date, the work done, and the costs involved. Well-organized records are your best defense in legal situations. Fifth, respond quickly to maintenance requests from tenants. If they report issues like leaks, pests, or safety hazards, fix them promptly. Ignoring these reports can cause further damage and increase liability. For example, if a tenant reports a leaking pipe and you delay repairs, the damage could worsen, leading to higher costs and possible legal action. Addressing problems fast shows you care and helps prevent legal trouble. Sixth, maintain common areas regularly. Keep hallways, parking lots, and shared spaces clean and safe. Poorly maintained common areas can cause accidents and lead to legal claims. Regular cleaning, pest control, and minor repairs reduce these risks. For example, fixing broken handrails or fixing potholes in parking lots prevents injuries and liability. Seventh, comply with accessibility laws, especially for commercial properties. The Americans with Disabilities Act requires features like ramps, wide doorways, and accessible restrooms. Failing to meet these standards can result in fines or lawsuits. For example, a retail space without a wheelchair ramp may be subject to legal action. Making your property accessible benefits everyone and keeps you compliant. Finally, review your lease agreements carefully. Clearly state who is responsible for maintenance and repairs. Tenants should know they must report problems and keep their units clean. Major repairs like HVAC system replacements or roof repairs are the landlord's duty. Clear lease terms prevent misunderstandings and legal disputes. For Asian American investors, these steps are especially important. Many families value stability and long-term growth. Following these maintenance practices protects your investment, keeps tenants satisfied, and helps you avoid legal risks. Staying proactive with property upkeep builds trust and supports your wealth building goals.